Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 20A from chapter Cylinder, Cone and Sphere. So starting with question number 13, the radius of a solid right circular cylinder decreases by 20% and its height increases by 10%. Find the percentage change in its first part volume and second part curved surface area. If you notice, this question is similar to question number 12 that we had done in previous video. So we have to follow the same procedure over here also. Alright, so we are not given what is the height and radius of this cylinder, okay? And not even of the new cylinder. Alright, so we are just given that there is some cylinder, solid cylinder, okay? Let's say uska height is h and radius is r, okay? This is what we know. Now the radius of this cylinder is decreased by 20%. उसका radius decrease किया गया है. मतलब ये जो circular part है कम हो जाएगा because radius कम हो जाएगा. Okay, the radius will become less. तो radius is reduced and its height is increased by 10%. तो height is going to increase a bit. Okay. Now let's say कि height of this cylinder is h and radius is r. Okay, this is the original cylinder and this is the new cylinder. Okay, now we have to find the percentage change in the volume. Volume change होगा, ये नहीं बोला गया है कि मटेरियल ऐड किया है या डिक्रीज किया है. नथिंग इज टोल्ड टू अस. वी आर जस्ट टोल्ड दैट height जो है it is increased and radius is decreased. So that does not, we cannot assume, you know, made based on the height and radius that volume is going to be same. So we have to find the change in volume. The volume is going to change and the curved surface area, change in curved surface area. Obviously curved surface area change होगा. यहाँ पे if you notice, okay, it is broad, but यहाँ पे if you notice the cylinder is little long but it has become little narrow. All right, so we have to find the percentage change in volume and curved surface area. So for original cylinder से पहले start करते हैं. Okay, original cylinder के लिए हम लोग को volume and curved surface area पहले find करना है. All right, so let us write down the given. For original cylinder, let the radius be r centimeter, okay, and the height be h centimeter. Okay, now we have assumed r and h, small r and small h. So volume of the cylinder, please don't use short forms. I am using short forms because I have less space to write. Okay, now volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, so pi r square h. Okay, this is the volume. Let us say this is V1, ठीक है. So volume of the cylinder, you have to write down over here, let V1 be the volume of the cylinder. यहाँ पे लिख लेना. Add one more statement, let V1 be the volume of this original cylinder, ठीक है. Now curved surface area, curved surface area का भी change find करना है. So curved surface area, okay, of original cylinder क्या हो जाएगा? We know curved surface area is 2 pi RH, so this is 2 pi RH. Okay, now we'll go to the new cylinder. So for new cylinder, now for new cylinder we'll assume the radius to be capital R and the height to be capital H. Okay, You can take R1 H1 and then R2 H2, whichever way you find it comfortable. So let the radius be R centimeter and the height be capital H. ठीक है. Therefore volume, and also over here you will add K. Let V2 be the volume of new cylinder. What you can do is इसको छोटा V ले लो. Okay, instead of V1 and this one is capital V, that way also you can do. So let V2 be the volume of new cylinder. Therefore V2 क्या हो जाएगा? It will be pi R square H. ठीक है. And CSA, that is curved surface area of new cylinder, it will be 2 pi RH. Okay. Now this is what we got. अब क्या करना है? We have to find the relation between the old cylinder, that is original cylinder, and the new cylinder. Okay. We are supposed to build the relation because that is how we'll be able to find the change, percentage change in the volume and the curved surface area. So how will we relate? Now we are given some hints over here. Radius of the cylinder decreases by 20%. Original radius R है, ठीक है. So ओरिजिनल रेडियस जो है R है, उसका रेडियस जो है डिक्रीज किया गया बाय 20%. नाउ डिक्रीज मतलब क्या? ये रेडियस को उसमें से डिक्रीज किया गया माइनस. नाउ 20% is decreased. So 20% of what? Of the radius is decreased. So R minus 20% of R हो जाएगा. Okay. So this is the new radius. ठीक है. वो old cylinder में से नया cylinder बनाया गया है. And the radius of this cylinder is decreased by 20% of the original radius. ठीक है. Now what is happening? Height is increased by 10%. नया height will be the old height increased है. So प्लस कर देंगे. by 10% है. So increase by 10% मतलब 10 by 100 into H. 10% of what? 10% of the original height. Okay. Now इसको solve कर लेते हैं. फाइजा, तो it gives R minus R by 5. So this will become 5R minus R upon 5, that gives 4R upon 5. ठीक है. तो R हम लोग को मिल गया, 4R upon 5 हो जाएगा. एंड H that will become 1 by 10 है, तो 10H plus H upon 10. ठीक है. So this will become 11H upon 10. So you have to write down the statement before writing this and this. तो यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा that the radius of the cylinder is reduced by 20%. Therefore, new radius is equal to R minus 20% of R. फिर ऐसे लिखेंगे. ठीक है. That R is equal to R minus 20 upon R. And same thing with height, that the height of the cylinder is increased by 10%. Therefore, new height will be equal to the old height plus 10% of height. I'll just show you कैसे लिखना है. The radius of cylinder is decreased by 20%. Now radius is decreased, so therefore new radius will be what? Original radius minus 20% of original radius, and then you will substitute. Original radius is r, minus 20 upon 100 into r. Okay, and new radius is capital R. And same thing with the height. The height of cylinder is increased by 10%. Therefore, new height is equal to original height plus 10% of original height. ठीक है, and then you will substitute capital H is equal to small h plus 10%, that is 10 upon 100 into the small h. Okay, now that is how we got this. Now यहाँ से proceed करते हैं. Now we'll build up the relation between the new volume and the original volume, and new curved surface area and the old curved surface area. Okay, now new volume V2 क्या हो जाएगा? That is pi r square h. Okay, तो pi r क्या है? It is 4r by 5. तो 4r by 5 substitute किया. Don't forget to square this, and h is 11h by 10. So pi हम लोग क्या करेंगे? pi r square h को ग्रुप कर देंगे. ठीक है, उनको साइड में ले लो एंड नंबर्स फिर सब साइड में ले लो. सो वील स्क्वायर दिस फर्स्ट. ये हो जाएगा 16r स्क्वायर अपॉन 25 इंटू 11h अपॉन 10. नाउ ये ग्रुप कर लेते हैं. तो पाई आर स्क्वायर एच इंटू 16 इंटू 11 अपॉन 25 इंटू 10. नाउ हम लोग कैंसलेशंस यहाँ पे करेंगे. ठीक है, एंड वील फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. सो V2 क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज नथिंग बट V1. ठीक है, हम लोग ने पहले ही फाइंड किया था. V1 हो गया ये इंटू 2 5 2 8. ठीक है, नथिंग एल्स इज गेटिंग कैंसल्ड. तो ये हो जाएगा 8 11 88. 25 इंटू 5 गिव्स 125. 88 अपॉन 125 इंटू V1. ठीक है, V2 इज दिस. नाउ नोटिस न्यूमरेटर में जो नंबर है एंड डिनोमिनेटर में जो नंबर है, न्यूमरेटर में द नंबर इज लेसर दैन द डिनोमिनेटर. तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज गोइंग टू बी लेस दैन 1. Whenever न्यूमरेटर का वैल्यू इज लेस दैन डिनोमिनेटर, ऑब्वियसली वो आंसर इज लेस दैन 1. ओके, सो इफ दिस इज लेस दैन 1, मतलब ऑटोमेटिकली वी कैन से कि V2 जो हो जाएगा दैट विल बी लेस दैन V1. ठीक है, बिकॉज इफ दिस इज ग्रेटर तो V2 ग्रेटर होगा. ओके, इफ दिस इज से 1 तो क्या हो जाएगा? V2 विल बी इक्वल टू V1, बिकॉज 1 इंटू V1 विल गिव V1, तो दोनों इक्वल हो जाएगा. इफ दिस इज लेस दैन 1, लेट्स से कि ये 0.5 है. आई एम जस्ट अज्यूमिंग 0.5 है. तो 0.5 ऑफ V1 मतलब हाफ ऑफ V1 हो गया. तो हाफ ऑफ V1 इज व्हाट? इट इज लेस दैन V1. ठीक है, तो व्हेन इट इज लेस तो क्या हो जाएगा? V2 इज लेस दैन V1. तो सेम थिंग यहाँ पे होगा, इट इज लेस दैन V1. एंड इफ इट वुड बी ग्रेटर, लेट्स से कि ट्वाइस होता या थ्राइस होता, तो क्या होता? V2 वुड हैव बीन ग्रेटर दैन V1. ये केस में क्या है? V2 इज लेस दैन V1. ठीक है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वी कैन सी कि न्यूमरेटर का नंबर इज लेस दैन डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, सो वील राइट डाउन दैट V2 is less than V1, that is new volume is less than the original volume. मतलब क्या हो रहा है? Volume is decreasing. Therefore, volume of new cylinder is decreased. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पे स्टॉप नहीं हो रहा है, परसेंटेज चेंज फाइंड करना है हम लोग को, कितना परसेंटेज का चेंज आ रहा है. सो वो पहले फाइंड करते हैं. हाउ विल वी फाइंड दैट? परसेंटेज को छोड़ो, पहले चेंज इन वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज चेंज इन वॉल्यूम? चेंज इन वॉल्यूम इज द ग्रेटर वॉल्यूम माइनस स्मॉलर वॉल्यूम. नाउ ग्रेटर वॉल्यूम यहाँ पे क्या है? ग्रेटर वॉल्यूम इज द ओल्ड वॉल्यूम. Okay, V1 is the greater volume and V2 is the smaller volume. So V1 minus V2 will give you the change in volume. Now change in volume is V1 minus V2. ग्रेटर वैल्यू माइनस स्मॉलर वैल्यू करेंगे, स्मॉलर माइनस ग्रेटर करने जाएंगे तो नेगेटिव में आंसर रहेगा. ठीक है, दैट ऑल्सो मीन्स कि इट इज डिक्रीज्ड. ऑलराइट, सो बट स्टिल यू विल जस्ट कंपेयर एंड देन राइट डाउन द स्टेटमेंट और फिर करोगे V1 माइनस V2. नाउ V1 will remain as it is and V2 we know is 88 upon 125 of V1. ठीक है, now this is nothing but 125 V1 minus 88 V1 upon 125. what I did was LCM लिया है या फिर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, whatever you call it. so I multiplied this by 125 and divided by 125. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करने के लिए. सो सेम हो गया एंड देन कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर लेके 125 V1 minus 88 V1. दिस विल गिव यू 37 V1 upon 125. नाउ हम लोग को इसका वैल्यू फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू डिवाइड 37 by 125. सो चेंज इन वॉल्यूम विल बी इक्वल टू 0.296 V1. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 0.296 V1. नाउ परसेंटेज चेंज फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो परसेंटेज चेंज इन वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा? प्लीज डोंट यूज सच शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. ठीक है, फुल वर्ड लिखना पड़ेगा. परसेंटेज चेंज इन वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू चेंज इन वॉल्यूम. ठीक है, जिसका परसेंटेज फाइंड कर रहे हैं दैट विल कम इन न्यूमरेटर अपॉन व्हाट? द ओरिजिनल. किससे कंपेयर करेंगे? ओरिजिनल से ही कंपेयर करेंगे. इनटू 100. So change in volume is 0.296 V1. Original volume is V1 into 100. V1 gets cancelled. What we are left with is 0.296 into 100. क्या हो जाएगा? into 100 किया तो decimal point shift हो जाएगा. 2 places shift होगा. Okay, because 2 zeros है. So it will become 29.6 percentage. That is the percentage change in volume. But 29.6% increase हुआ या decrease हुआ? It has decreased. Okay, because over here we know V1 is greater than V2. The new volume जो है that is 29.6% lesser than the original volume. So you will write down the statement that new volume is 29.6% lesser than the original volume. So the volume has decreased by 29.6%. Now curved surface area में हम लोग सेम चीज़ करेंगे. ठीक है, we'll build the relation between the new curved surface area and the old curved surface area. We had found the old curved surface area and new curved surface area. ठीक है, we'll be using these values for that. So new CSA will be what? We know it is 2 pi RH. We'll keep 2 pi as it is. ठीक है, don't substitute pi का value. Why? Because we want 2 pi smaller than h. Okay, that is the original CSA. So original CSA वाला value as it is I want. So that is why what I'll do, I'll keep this as it is. You're not going to substitute the value. Into R is 4R by 5. Into H is 11H by 10. I'll shift R and H with this. ठीक है, so it will become 2 pi RH. If you check, this was the original CSA. Now this will become 2 2s are 2 5s are. Nothing else is getting cancelled. So this will become 22 upon 25. Okay. This is what original CSA. ठीक है. So new CSA is original CSA into 22/5. 25. 22 is less than 25. So obviously this is less than 1. This thing will be less than 1. Numerator is less than denominator. So in that case, I told you earlier, if this is less than 1, so obviously what will happen? Less than 1 into the original thing will give you lesser value. Okay, so it is going to be lesser. So new CSA is less than original CSA because this one is coming less than 1. So less than 1 into something is going to give you lesser value. Okay, so new CSA is lesser than original CSA. So we have to write down over here that new CSA is less than original CSA. ठीक है. So what you are going to do when you find the change in CSA, what you are going to do? We'll write original minus new. Okay, so original CSA minus new CSA. Original CSA is what? 2 pi RH minus new CSA is 22/25 into 2 pi RH. We'll take 2 pi RH common from both. So here we are left with 1 minus 22/25. We'll multiply this by 25. This will become 25 minus 22/25. So what will it become? This will become 3/25 into 2 pi RH. Okay, now we have to find the value of 3/25. That is how we'll get the change in CSA. Okay, only then we can find the percentage change in CSA. So So 25, okay, we divided 3/25, so we got 0.12 into the original CSA. This is the change in CSA. Now we have to find the percentage change in CSA. So percentage change in CSA is equal to change in CSA upon original CSA into 100. Change in CSA क्या होगा? We just got 0.12 into original CSA, that is 2 pi RH, upon original CSA is 2 pi RH into 100. 0.12 into 100, decimal place will shift, so it will become 12%. Now this 12% is increased or decreased? It is decreased because we just found that original CSA is greater than the new CSA. So the new CSA is 12% decreased. ठीक है? So you have to write over here. Therefore, there is 12% decrease in CSA of cylinder. ठीक है?